Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give someone your Telegram. First, understand that Telegram primarily uses usernames, making it simple to connect without sharing your phone number. You can also generate a direct link to your profile. This method offers flexibility, allowing you to share your contact information securely and efficiently with anyone you choose, whether they are already on Telegram or not. To find your Telegram username, open the app and tap on the 3 lines or your profile picture to open the menu. Then, select Settings. Your username will be clearly displayed right below your profile name. If you haven't set one yet, you'll see an option to create a unique username. This is crucial for others to find you easily without needing your phone number. Once you have your username, you can simply tell it to someone, and they can search for you directly within Telegram. Alternatively, you can copy your unique Telegram profile link. This link typically looks like me/your username. You can then paste this link into any messaging app, email, or even a social media post. It's a quick and convenient way to connect. Remember to review your privacy settings in Telegram to control who can find you and send you messages. You have options to manage contact requests and ensure your comfort. While usernames are popular, you can also share your phone number if that's your preference for closer contacts. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.